Hi and welcome to Afrios Answers. My name is Shannon and today I'm going to show you how to change your router's network name or SSID. SSID stands for Service Set Identifier. Open your internet browser. Navigate to the router's IP address 192.168.0.1. You may want to check the manual for your router's IP. Log into the router with the username and password. Click Login. On the menu on the left-hand side, select Wi-Fi. Under the Wi-Fi section, select Basic Settings. On the main page, under Wi-Fi Network on the right-hand side, you will see Network Name and in brackets SSID. This is your current displaying network name. This is where you can change it to a name of your choice. Once the name is changed, scroll down and click Apply. You have now successfully changed your router's network name.
Hi, John, CEO of Afrios here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you found it useful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to comment below. And if you want more how-tos and tutorials like this one, please visit answers.afrios.com.